Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 12th of July 2020. Let's imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi was never afraid of anything. She had unwavering faith in power of Baba. The determination was unwavering, therefore always remained fearless. Regardless of the circumstances in front of the sacrificial fire, always remain relaxed, never questioned why, always be happy, never shown signs of concern on her face. Today's Abhyaktavani, Abhyakt Bab Dada, revised 22nd February 1986. Let's start Godly Version. Abhyaktavani title: Spiritual Service, Altruistic Service. Today, the Father, the world benefactor of all souls, is seeing his server, children who are his companion in service. From the beginning, server children have been Bab Dada's companions. Bab Dada made the children into incognito instruments and has now revealed them to do world service until the end. Brahman life is a life of service. Brahman souls cannot survive without service. Today, Bab Dada was seeing both his right hand server children and his left hand server children. The right hand is always an altruistic server. The left hand becomes an instrument for service with the desire of eating one limited fruit of service or other in this birth. That one is an incognito server and the other is a server for name. Bab Dada has a complete record of all these servers. Continue to do service and do not think about earning a name. Think about accumulating, claim a right to the imperishable fruit. Baba is saying true service is a true diamond. Just as the sparkle of a true diamond can never remain hidden, similarly, true servers are true diamonds. No matter how beautiful the sparkle of an artificial diamond may be, it is the real diamond that has much value as compared to that artificial one. True servers are invaluable jewels. A true server has value for many births. That is why remain beyond limited thoughts, become an unlimited server. A carefree emperor seated on the Father's heart throne. And continue to celebrate in the happiness and pleasure of the confluence age. Service is something that makes you fly. Service makes you an emperor of the land without sorrow. Carefree emperors, emperors of the land without sorrow. Success itself follows such a souls. They do not chase after success. Success always follows them. Blessing. May you be a master, bestower of liberation and salvation, who distributes the holy offering of liberation and salvation through your angelic form. At present, all souls of the world are crying out because of adverse situations. Some because everything is expensive, some crying out physically with their mouths. Some because of physical illness, some because of the peacelessness in their minds. Everyone's vision is going to the Tower of Peace. Everyone is watching to see when there will be the cries of victory after the cries of distress. So now with your physical angelic form, remove the sorrow of the world. Be a master bestower of liberation and salvation and give the devotees the holy offering, that is prasad, of liberation and salvation. Slogan: Only those who put into practical form, but that every order become an example. Om Shanti.